Hey, what's up? Well, as well. It's your boy Serrano. So today I'm checking out something from One Car Stereo, which is a versatile audio screen, and it's going to be portable with full touch, and it's going to have stereo capabilities so that you can use this with Android Auto, as well as the auxiliary cable and FM radio capabilities on here. And you also be able to do mirror link, so you can actually watch videos. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video if you're brand new to the channel. I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a product that I definitely think is pretty cool, because it's going to give you the ability to set up Android Auto or CarPlay. So that's going to be with Android or Apple. And so yeah, I could see myself using this in a lot of different ways. But first, inside the box, you're going to be getting the 6.86-inch display, which is basically 7 inches, and it's just basically going to be a Bluetooth speaker with some ports behind the Type-C, the auxiliary cable, the TF card, as well as the power cable. And so yeah, you do get that power button as well, so you can actually expand, put different things in here with the memory. So with the TF card, you're going to be able to actually load in videos and music and stuff like that on board. And so inside of here, you're going to get the cable that actually connects to the camera. And so the camera is going to give you the ability to see HD quality 1080p reverse camera behind you while you're driving once you install that. So I definitely think that's going to be pretty cool. And then you also do get the other option right here, Type-C to cigarette lighter port, and then you also do get the user manual, so it's going to walk you through everything. And so first thing I did was actually remove the tape from the back of the screen, the auto screen, and it was definitely going to be offering those ports on the back. So first thing you want to do is actually plug in the auxiliary cable on here, and then also you're going to plug in the power source, which is going to be the Type-C. And so once those are plugged into the back, you can actually install it. And so yeah, the setup process was easier than I actually thought. You're going to be able to pick between black and white when it comes to the colors. And so yeah, this is going to be on sale from $225 to $179, which I think is going to be a really solid price for this. And so it's going to offer you a pretty vivid display. Sometimes if it's going to be like a glare or whatever on this display, you're going to see that. And so yeah, you might have to change angles while you're looking at it so you can actually look at it better. But it's going to offer you the ability to change the contrast, the colors, the brightness as well. And so you can kind of customize the settings to your liking. And then inside of the app, it's going to give you some pre-installed apps that are going to help you, like Pandora. I also was able to get the Waze app on here, as well as the Google Maps app. And so they do give you the notifications app, SoundCloud as well. And so yeah, it's going to be a pretty good start when you're using this. Another thing that's actually pretty cool about this is that you can turn it at a 90-degree angle, so you can actually turn it towards you or towards the passenger. And so it's going to be pretty convenient for actually maneuvering inside of the car. And so yeah, the colors are going to be very bright, and so you're not going to have any issues when it comes to looking at the icons. And so basically it does give you a split screen view and a normal view, and you could actually plug in your Type-A to Type-C cable, so you could charge your smartphone while you're using this with Android Auto. And then you can customize all your settings inside of the Android Auto application to customize the overall experience when you're using this. So it's going to be a very pleasurable experience, whether you're using this for Bluetooth standalone in the house, or if you bring it with you in the car and you set it up. You could even play games on this with the built-in app that it's going to offer. And so yeah, I found that the navigation from my speakers in my car were easily able to be set up with the auxiliary cable, but you can also have the audio come directly out of the Bluetooth speaker. But the reason why I think this is going to be very versatile is you can get 3 different windows at the same time, notifications, and then your instructions of where you're going, also the music. And you can customize the EQ settings as well, so that you can tailor the sound experience to the way you want it to be heard. And I definitely think that when it came to the volume on here, it got very loud when I was connecting it to my settings in my car, and so the stereo sound system did sound very good. It did sound like it had a boosted bass as well, and so the volume was very increased as well. So I was enjoying the overall listening experience. And so before using this one car stereo, I definitely can say that it's been a lot more convenient compared to the setup I had before, where I had to mount my smartphone to my windshield. So I definitely think this is going to be a way more convenient way to communicate.
Hola.
Hey, Pop.
What's up? See you soon.
All right. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right.
But one thing about the one car stereo that I can say, that if you've never used it before and you've never experienced Android Auto, I definitely think you should check it out, because it's going to allow you to be able to not only experience Android Auto, but still be able to take phone calls in the car, as well as listen to the FM radio or the auxiliary port. It's going to also give you the ability to connect to the Waze app, which is going to allow you to be have that navigation screen right there in front of you, so that you can always see what's going on. And so you could control your music with it as well. And so it's very touch friendly. The only thing I can say about the display is that it's not the most responsive, but it is 60 hertz, so it's very bright and vivid when it comes to the colors, and so it's not very hard to actually navigate with. But one of the things about the keyboard is that it's a little bit like it has like a little bit of lag to it, so whatever you're doing is going to be like not as responsive as it would when you were like typing on a smartphone screen. But I definitely can say that this is going to be a game changer, especially if you've never experienced Android Auto before, because it's going to allow you to not only navigate with the voice controls, you're also going to get a voice assistant button, so you can do voice prompts if you're not cool with like typing it on the keyboard. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the one car stereo, versatile audio screen, portable speaker. I definitely can say that this is going to be a solid product and very useful in many ways. But if you found this video helpful, just type "I'm still here," so I know you're still kicking with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.